3 firefighters were killed and 2 were injured while tackling wildfires on the Colorado-Utah border. It began on Saturday morning and has burned about 11,000 hectares. Southwestern Utah saw the largest blaze, growing to more than 360 square kilometers. The governor declared an emergency earlier this week, while his counterpart in Colorado has announced a disaster emergency response. Wildfire activity has intensified across the United States. This is due to hot, dry, and windy weather.
My house could be gone tomorrow, tonight. And you don't know, fire, you could see it. It was, in fact, when I had left from helping a neighbor, it looked like the smoke was covering our house at that point. So I don't know whether it was flames or smoke.
So wind plus fire, not good.